Yeah, we are welcome back again to my channel. Kindly subscribe, please, to the this channel and share with friends, share with students, share with teachers, share with as many who are willing to learn from this, learn mathematical concepts. We've started a partial fraction series, so we conclude with this case 4 for now. Under this case 4, we'll be considering a case with degree of numerator greater than or equal to the denominator. What do I mean? Look at this degree of the numerator here. Here it is even equal to that of the denominator. So you are having a draw. So we are having x squared plus 1 4 minus x squared. You can see that they are of the same degree. So if they are of the same degree, to solve will be difficult. Using the normal approach you've been using, so you have to go and resolve into partial fraction. And which will you resolve into partial fraction? Use the denominator to divide that numerator. So we have something, let me do that here. Do that here. We have x squared plus 1. So we have 4 minus x squared. So this is the same thing as minus x squared plus 4. Let me rewrite that. Minus. So x squared in x squared in minus x squared in x squared, that is minus 1. Yeah, that's minus 1. Then this times this you have minus x squared. Minus 1 times 4 we have minus 4. This minus supposed to be plus here. This minus this is gone. 1 minus minus that will be 5. So what do we have now? This can now be equal to, since you have divided, this is what is left, right? So what is left is what you will write as a new numerator. And what you have here is what you're going to have minus 1 plus now 6 upon 4 minus x squared. Oh, 5 rather, I wrote 6. So are you getting that? So that's what we are going to now resolve. So 4 minus x squared, is that not difference of 2 squares? That is difference of 2 squares. So that's like saying 2 square minus x squared. And difference of 2 square means 1 we have plus 5 over we should have this as 4 minus x and 4 plus x close brackets. So how do we do that now? Leave the one, let's solve this. So you have a over 4 minus x plus b over 4 plus x. Multiplied through by both of them. So what do we have? We're going to have this have a open bracket 4 plus x plus b open bracket 4 minus x. So Can do it this way. If you look at what they gave us in this question, 2 minus x, 2 plus x, we can get the same thing here. If I factor out, so I can have 2 minus x inside, then all squared. So 2 minus x, 2 minus x. So that's like a repeated root. Yes, you can have that a plus b over this plus c over this. Do you get that? So that's a repeated root. I'm still going to have this. You will see we have the same thing. So we have the same answer virtually. This is just 2. This is just like multiply it by 2, multiply it by 2. So I can decide to do it this way. Oh, this is 4 minus x. And I wrote as, oh, sorry. So this is wrong actually. It's wrong. I should have 4 minus x squared, difference of 2 squares. And I mixed that out. Sorry. So this should be 2. So you get that? Then we move. So this can be equal to what? 4 minus x squared. So just let x to be equal to minus 2 so that a can go. So you have 2 minus 2. Let x be equal to 2. So what do we have? We have 4a to be equals to 4 minus 4, 0. A is equal to 0. And if you now say let x be minus 2. So let x equals to minus. If x is minus 2, a will cross out. So we have 4b to be equal to minus 2 all squared minus 2 all squared 4 minus open bracket minus 2 all squared is still 4 minus 4. That is still 0. b2 gives you 0. So since a is 0, b is 0, then according to our question here, of course our a, if I change this back to b and c, b and c, b and c, b and c, so I have b to suit what we were told to do, b, c, so c. Our a is minus 1 already. So the question says find a plus b over c. So since a is minus 1 plus 0 divided by 0, that's undefined. That answer is undefined. So we have minus 1 plus 5 over this. So and our answer cannot be undefined. It can never be undefined. Then it means we need to put something. Oh, I did not write 5 it should be equal to 5. Oh, there's an error here, so that's why we are having that mistake. This is equal to sorry about that. Sorry about that. So sorry. So the numerator we have here was 5. I wasn't seeing it, I was writing some, so this is 5. To multiply it by 4 minus x squared to cancel out, 5 will be left. So this is supposed to be equal to 5. So we want to say let x to be equal to 2. So 4b will be equal to 5. Then b will be 5 over 4. So let now x will be equal to minus 2. And x is minus 2. 4c will also be equal to b, will equal to 5. Then that implies that what c2 will be equal to 5 over 4. You see this? 5 over 4. Then the question is minus, so we have a plus b minus 1 plus 5 over 4 divided by c, and c is what? 5 over 4 too. So what do we have there? Minus 1 plus, so let me find the LCM here. 4. 1 minus 4 plus 4 and 4, that's 5. So I have 1 over 4 plus and divided by 5 over 4, that will be times 4 over 5. Let's cancel this. So that will be 1 over 5. So our final answer from what they say we should do is 1 over 5. Now you can play with other questions that are like this, such that the denominator, or the numerator rather, is of a degree that is equal to the denominator or greater than the denominator. So you use the same approach. Thank you very much. Please subscribe.